The PearlQuest team is proud to present the iktva Immersive Tunnel at Hall 5 and 6 at the iktva trade show by Aramco. This immersive masterpiece is a tunnel with a 7-meter wall on this side, another 4-meter wall on this side, a complete interactive floor on which there are interactive elements as people walk and pass through the tunnel. There are 2 entrances which we are making sure are extremely immersive and captivating for the passers-by. These high-end LED surfaces are 1.9 mm pixel pitch LEDs with a 3.9 mm floor, and the best part is the content which we've created. We created oil and gas scenarios of onshore, offshore, and piping, which are the most important elements of the oil and gas industry. And every piece of content is dynamically AI generated visual data. These immersive surfaces, as you see, are content which we've produced that would have impossibly produced using traditional methods. The kind of visuals you see on these screens are very difficult to actually go and shoot in the context of the oil and gas industry because of permissions, because of all the restrictions. And no one would create these type of videos using drones or chopper footages. But AI lets you do that. Now the result is that this immersive tunnel has become a showstopper for this event. Every third person wants to wait and take selfies and take group photos because of the rich variety of visuals that is shown here. The organizers, the client, everyone is super happy with the result, and we too are feeling proud that we could come up with this concept and visualization that is truly a novel idea for an industrial exhibition like iktva. So thank you very much for the organizers, to Aramco, and to all the people associated with our project to make this a brilliant success. Thank you.